ಹೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಸೈಯದ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕತಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಲಂಚ್ ಕಾಂಬೋ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ನಾವು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್. ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಿರ್ಚಿಲ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಂಚ್ ಕಾಂಬೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಚೆನ್ನೈ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್, ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕಮಾನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿನ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್. ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ತಲಪಕಟ್ಟು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ತಲಪಕಟ್ಟು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೆಡ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿನ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. So right opposite of ST Cargo. You can see ST Cargo opposite, you can see Madras Mirchi. Finally we received this Chennai style Thalapakattu Biriyani. One is chicken and one is mutton. So let's review this. It's simple and budget friendly lunch. Okay friends, finally we reached this Madras Mirchi. We received this one Thalapakattu mutton biryani and one chicken biryani. So we ordered two types of biryani. So let's see their taste. And finally I'm really starving like anything. Really I wanted to grab all these things now. So noda hegide anta taste. First we will start with Thalapakattu biryani. This is mutton style. Noda hegide anta. Last biryani ante. So last piece biryani. This let's see the taste. So this is a jeeraga sambar rice. Rice alli different undu. Thalapakattu biryani jeeraga sambar rice. So we will give that special fragrance and taste. Let's see the taste. It's almost a Chinese style only they have done. It's fragrance also. I'm getting the biryani. Mutton is that Indian mutton. They are giving Indian mutton.
Nalla irukku mutton.
So always Indian mutton will be very tasty in the Chennai biryani. So if they are different country mutton, the taste will not be that original style of Thalapakattu biryani. Rice also is very small rice.
Idhe try panni paarenga. Super ah irukku.
Then we will go to basmati rice chicken biryani. Let's see the chicken biryani. Basmati rice. Rice is little bit bigger. Like this also. Quantity also one person can have, adult one person. This chicken biryani is 12 riyal and this mutton Thalapakattu biryani is 18 riyal. So let's see this basmati rice biryani. Almost same taste. We had in Zaitun restaurant, Chennai biryani. They charge 22 riyal. But almost the taste is same taste. Same taste. But they have this what to tell? Raita.
The raita is also a little bit different.
They have this katrika kuttu. Brinjal gravy. So only thing is no brinjal gravy here. So rice is very nice. So if you are coming to Bin Mohammed, you must try in Chennai Mirchi. So if you want to have the authentic of Chennai style biryani, they have two type of biryani. And during the special weekends like Friday, they will do special kind of varieties of biryani. So those days also you can come and explore it. So must try. So I will finish this guys. So if you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get new video notification of best budget friendly restaurants in Qatar. So until then, bye from Syed from Qatar.